Hello everyone. So guys, I'm going to tell you about how I spent my day today. And it's afternoon, so I can tell you like from morning till now whatever the activities I did. So guys, as you can see here, you can see there are some stuffs. Okay. So it proves that I have just come back from the market and I'm shooting this video. So guys, I got up around 8:30 in the morning. After that I got fresh, and then I decided to shoot a video for my YouTube viewers. So it was related to some advanced structures and words meaning of class 7 civics book. After shooting the video, I started editing it and then I uploaded the video on YouTube. After that I was quite free. I was planning to shoot another video. Suddenly my wife came to me and she asked me to go to the market to buy some stuffs. Okay, she sent me the list of those items to my WhatsApp, and after that I started started getting ready to go to market. Suddenly Akshat came to me and Akshat said that Akshat said, Daddy, I also want to go. I said, okay, if you want to go, then get ready, let's go. So Akshat got ready and we both started heading towards the particular store from where I wanted to buy the stuffs. We went over there. After that, Akshat took that basket and started putting all the things into the basket, whatever was mentioned on the list. And having bought all the things, we went to the billing counter and their bill was generated. Then I paid the bill, and after that I came back. We came back to our home. सो आपने देखा कि इसके अंदर कुछ खास नहीं था. जो भी सेकेंड फॉर्म जो भी हुआ मैंने बस बता दिया. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू कैसे कैसे हम मार्केट गए. आई हैव शॉट दोज ऑल द फुटेजेस. तो वो चीज़ें मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ ताकि थोड़ा बहुत सिचुएशनल इंग्लिश भी इसके साथ जुड़ जाए. सो देखिए इसको गाइस.
Hello everyone.
Yes, yeah. So Akshat, where are we going?
We are going to Patanjali store.
Yeah guys, so today actually we have to buy a lot of things, so we are going to market. So Akshat, do you also have any list to buy something? Yeah? What do you want to buy? Tell me your list.
When we reach in the shop, I will tell you.
You tell me that time. So guys, Akshat is tired and Akshat wants to drink some juice. Akshat, which juice do you want to drink?
Mango juice.
Mango juice. So he's tired, so we are here at the juice corner, as you can see. Okay. And I would like to go for this Mausambi juice. In Hindi, Mausami juice. Okay. Hey, ये 20 वाला छोटा वाला. मौसमी का ये हाँ तो जैसा है वैसा कर दो, तो छोटा ही रखो. So this is for Akshat. Lovely Akshat. Okay. The mango juice. Very good. Now what do you want? Yeah. So now Akshat, whatever you want you can put into this basket. I can call it basket or hamper. Yeah. Yeah. Do you want something? Think. So guys, as you can see that we have come to the Patanjali store and now I have a huge list given by my wife. So I am going to read the items mentioned on that list and then we will start picking those things and putting into this basket. Okay Akshat? Ready? And Akshat is going to help me out in this. So after that we will go back to our home and then I'll narrate everything to you. Okay? This is a part of storytelling. Okay? So let's get started. So guys, the first item we need is edible coconut oil. Edible means you can use that coconut oil in cooking. So let's see. Akshat, come on. Because I can see this edible coconut oil is here, Akshat. See here. Can you see this? So here if you see, no, let me see. It is written. It is edible and it is mentioned over here, edible. So we can use it. Okay, so Akshat is going to do. Akshat, put it. Put. Yes. Are you tired, Akshat? Are you tired? Oh my God. Okay, you're really doing very hard work. Look at guys. He can't even lift it, so he's just dragging it. Okay, Akshat, enjoying? Oh, you can lift it. Very good, very good. Okay. So guys, as you can see that we have bought all the stuffs. Here you can see in this basket, and Akshat has picked all the stuffs from various places. He seems to be very tired. Now guys, I have to take this basket to the billing counter where each and every product has to be scanned, and then the bill will be generated, and I will have to pay the bill. Yeah, Akshat? Okay, lift it. Yeah, yes, you can. Oh my God. Great.